Hello guys, I got this today. This ship. You look. It looks like this square, but it's actually real. I got this today. It's from Estonia Maxima. Pretty good. I been this. It's really good, bro. And there is collection to it. In here. And I got this Squid Game thing. So if you want, you have to go to Estonia. They are putting more, I think, these ships. Squid Game. Salty toys. Yeah, there is toys. You can, if you want this, I think you can buy this in your country too to get my merch. Yeah, I just uploaded my merch today. I just think it's my merch. If I guess this doll again, I will show you again these toys. Because this is good. And do you know what? I think I posted a video about Brian and Talkies. They're in Estonia too. But not anymore. Now it's this. I cannot tell my mom if I get. My mom said if he go to Maxima, then he will buy this Squid Game thing. My mom heard the boys is taking this Squid Game. It's really square. Oh, look there.